Hello and welcome to the small little tutorial on how to install the Crowded plugin for Vectorworks. To install the plugin, click on Help, Install Partner Products, and you can search for Crowded either via text search or just simply scroll down until you find the Crowded banner and click it. Once you found it, simply click Install, and after a short moment you will be requested to restart Vectorworks. Once this process has finished, you should find Crowded under Tools, Partner Products, Crowded. If you want to use Crowded via your workspace, all you have to do is click once again on Tools, Workspaces, then Edit Current Workspace. A new window should open where we once again have to find the Crowded plugin. Just simply type Crowded, find the highlighted version which says Crowded, and drag and drop it to the correct position in the toolbar. Once you've done that, simply click OK, and you should be able, after a short moment, to find Crowded within your toolbar. Once all this is set up, we should be ready to skip to the next part, where we will try to set up a basic simulation using Vectorworks together with Crowded.